Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you are good. I am here with a swap band from the hashtag Year of Julie Netting tags. I'm going to miss getting these. I have enjoyed doing these swaps every month. And let's see. Year of Julie Netting tag, May 2021. Happy spring, Tina. Hope you will like the Julie Netting doll I created. Thank you for swapping with me. Happy craft, Michelle. Oh my god, this is gorgeous, guys. I'm gonna take it out of plastic so you guys can see it better. This is gorgeous. These ladies, I tell you, that I have received from. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, I love how she did this. I like the color combo. I like this one. I don't have this one, I don't think. Look at that minty color flower with pink and a little stamp here with a bumblebee. She's got little gems, butterflies. It says happy day. Look at her. And she like took probably, I don't remember what the Skittles, not Skittles. Oh no, I can't think of the stuff they use. I have one bottle of it, but it's like a glitter liner. She's got it all shiny, nice and pretty. She's got little flowers and a bow. Down here's another flower. Even her shoes sparkle. And it says, everything has beauty. It's got little banners, little gem. They're not, I'm going to call them glitter dots. Glitter dots, flower, another little stamp. And then in the back, and it is created by Michelle Woodley. And she's got some little goodies in here. Yep. Ms Seashell. Awesome. Cute. Little sunflowers. Oh, that one's on there. This one's just an extra one. I was like, why ain't this coming up? It's actually on the tag. That's why it's not coming up, Dana. Look how she did the back. She did a pocket. And then she got flowers. And then she got the information, which is so cool. This is so pretty. And then she got this ribbon going up. I love getting these. I can't say it enough. This was an awesome swap. And we have 1 month left, guys. 1 month. And I already got mine done. So, yeah, did it on a live. If anybody wants to go check it out, I think it was my last live. But there it is. It's so gorgeous. I love the color combo with the pink and greens. When I was pregnant with my daughter, and, I was a single parent, and I wanted to do just a little spot because Diamond had to be in the same room with me. I still lived at home. So I did a little corner in my bedroom, like a nursery with her crib. I had the mint green and the pinks, and I just love that combo color. And this is beautiful. Same thing. So pretty. Look at that tag. I love how she did this. I love the hat. Now I have to find me this stamp or this Julie Netting. See, I know a lot of ladies use their Cricut. I don't. I don't. I'm gonna figure it out. I did it twice where I took an image and brought it to my Cricut, and I don't remember how I did it. So Diamond has to go show me again. And I tried it the other day, and I was like, what the hell am I doing wrong here? So she'll come over now that her vacation's over and she's got more time on her hands and she's done with school for the year. She can come and spend some time with her mommy and reteach her the Cricut. Except she told me she was taking it home for the summer. And she's like, Mom, can I take the Cricut home with me? And I'm like, sure. Because she was going to buy herself one. I'm like, why buy another machine when I have it? Because it's at your house. And I'm like, you can take it. I don't use I basically bought the Cricut for my daughter, really, because she's always wanted one. So, and she wants to get into making t-shirts and stuff this summer and making a few bucks on the side. So I told her she could come and get it. But I know that Donna from Powered by Creativity dies the Cricut. And I know a lot of ladies use the Cricut to do the Julie Netting dolls, which is cool. So I want to thank Donna for hosting this. It's been fun. We have 1 more month left. So I will talk to you. And all later. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. I'll talk to you later. Bye!